Hello viewers, this is Justin once again, and yeah, just to tell you, Justin is my pseudo name. I don't use my original name over here. This video would show you how to fund your own startup. I had got enormous response on my other videos regarding startup culture and regarding few business ideas that I had shared with you. And there are a lot of, I got lot of emails. There were people who called me up. There are people who they are on my WhatsApp as well. They take advices from me, and these advices, I don't know how far it was helpful to them, but yeah, they did get an idea and a clear picture how to fund their own startup, or get basic idea what a startup is and what is a startup culture they are going into. So this you know what there are a lot of questions from many people that how to fund your own startup if you have very less money. This was the primary question that almost you can say everyone has asked me, like how to fund your own startup, and they have their business ideas. Someone wants to sell pickles, someone wants to sell fish or other sea products, and someone wants to deal with electronics, and there are a lot of ideas that people came up with, but the only thing they are facing the challenge is like they have little to no money to start up their business. Let me tell you people, when you're getting into business, the sole motive of the business is to earn money. The sole motive of the business is to earn money. The respect that you get out of it, like the get from it, is the latter part. But the first part is you have to you have to justify your business to yourself first. अभी ये होता है कि अभी बात ये है कि आपको पैसे कमाने हैं, ठीक है. दैट इज द फर्स्ट प्राइमरी रीजन दैट यू आर गोइंग इनटू अ बिजनेस. एंड अभी आपके पास बहुत ही कम पैसे हैं, या तो पैसे हैं ही नहीं बिल्कुल, ठीक है. तो बहुत सारे बिजनेस ऐसे भी हैं कि बिना पैसों के भी आप स्टार्ट कर सकते हो, ठीक है. लेकिन इसमें ये होता है कि वो तो अंबानी जी ने किया हुआ था बिना पैसों के बिजनेस. तब के टाइम में हम लोग की इकोनॉमी कितनी थी, उनके दिमाग में आइडियाज़ थे, तो वो सक्सीड कर गए. लेकिन आजकल के टाइम में इकोनॉमी बढ़ रही है, तो हम लोग को कुछ ना कुछ पैसे इन्वेस्ट करने पड़ेंगे. वी हैव टू इन्वेस्ट एटलीस्ट some money to get some kind of return out of it, ठीक है. So how to fund your own startup? This is a step to step guide. Basically you would be taking a loan. अभी आप किसी बैंक में जाते हो and you are not doing anything. You just have an account with them, ठीक है. आपके पास बस एक अकाउंट है उनके साथ, जो कि रेगुलरली मेंटेन भी नहीं होता है या बैलेंस भी मेंटेन नहीं होता है, ठीक है. और बहुत ही कम ट्रांजेक्शन होता है या बहुत ही कम पैसे रहते हैं. अभी आप बैंक के पास जाओगे, बैंक को बोलोगे कि मेरा एक स्टार्टअप है, मेरा एक आइडिया है, तो मुझे एक बिजनेस लोन चाहिए. बैंक आपको सीधे सीधे मना कर देगा. सीधी सी बात है, बैंक आपको सीधे सीधे मना कर देगा, ठीक है. कोई भी बैंक हो आपको मना कर देगा. दे विल जस्ट से यू, वी डोंट हैव अ कोलैटरल, वी डोंट हैव व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन योर बिजनेस डजंट सक्सीड, हाउ विल यू पे अस बैक. सो दे डोंट हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस, सो नो वन विल पे यू, नो वन विल पे यू. So in this video I'll teach you how to fund your own business. How to this method that won't get you more than 1 or 2 lakhs, but yeah, this process, if you go, it's a lengthy process. Yeah, to be very honest, you have to be patient, and it's a lengthy process. But yeah, at the end of a year or two, a year and a half, it can be either 12 months or in 18 months you will have 1 lakh or 2 lakhs or 1.5 lakhs if you follow this method, and you can start your own business. So let me tell you how it works. What you have to do is, first you need to make sure that you have IT returns, income tax returns. That means you are earning something. So the government will see that you are earning something, and this is a very important piece of document, IT returns. The second is you must have an Aadhaar card or a voter ID or a driver's license. This is the second point. And the third point is you must have a address proof. which either can be a government bank account or a postpaid bill or gas card or what, or electricity bill on your name or a passport. This should, all these documents are considered as address proof. The easiest way is to get a government bank account, okay, run it for 2-3 months, and you will have your address written on it on the passbook, so that's your address proof. Make sure it's a government bank. IDBI, they are a semi-government bank, but that's not considered a fully government bank. Government bank are like Bank of India, Bank of Punjab National Bank, State Bank of India, State Bank of Bikaner, this kind of banks. Okay, these are called government banks. Postpaid bill, if you are having trouble in getting BSNL postpaid connections, or let's say BSNL landline connection, what you can do is do a agreement, let's say have an rent agreement or something, and go to the nearest Vodafone or Tata Docomo store, ask them you want a postpaid connection. They will take $500 from you, and they will take the house agreement that you have, and they will give you a postpaid connection. Use this postpaid for 3 months. There you go, you have a address proof of you. The postpaid connection bill, the bill that you get, your address would be written on it. That's a postpaid connection bill. Rest comes to this gas card, electricity bill and passport. These are a hell lot of stuff, and it will take a hell lot of time to get all these documents. So I have to cut this video short because YouTube has restricted me only for 15 minutes video for the next 6 months. So let's say you have all these documents. So now what you have to do is you have to arrange like 20 to 30,000, not for spending. You have to arrange this much of money. You can ask your friends, you can ask your parents, you can ask from your relatives, you can ask anyone. Okay, you have to arrange 20 to 30,000 rupees for yourself. What you need to do is you need to open 2 more bank accounts. One would be in HDFC, the second would be in ICICI. Alright, so these are the 2 bank accounts that you need to open your account in. HDFC, these guys will take 10,000 to open your account, and the minimum balance you need to maintain with them is 10,000. ICICI will take 26,000. If you are in a rural area, you can open an account for 5,000. If you are in an urban area, the minimum balance you have to maintain is 10,000. So once you deposit 26,000, you will have an account. You can take out the rest 16,000, and there you go, you have an account. So HDFC and ICICI are 2 different banks where you have to create an account. Now what you have to do is you have to do heavy transactions in this. So let's say you borrowed 30,000 from your parents and you're not spending it. Okay, so on the first, like you have an HDFC account, you have 10,000 in it. You have an ICICI account, you have 10,000 in it. So you and you bought like 40,000 from your parents, so you have extra 20,000. What you need to do is you need to do an online transactions every day. Take this 20,000 that you have extra, deposit it in your parents account or your friend's account or your relative's account. Ask them to transfer it to your HDFC account, from their account to your account. What you do is then go to HDFC online banking, transfer that extra amount to your ICICI account, ICICI account to any of the third account, and from the third account back to your HDFC account and ICICI account, and so on. Do this for entire next 3 to 4 months, or let's say 6 months. Make sure at the end of the month, 29th or 30th or 31st, whatever it is, you should have the fullest amount. Or what you can do is ask someone who is doing banking transaction for like 10 or 20,000. If they need to send someone, deposit it in your account and transfer it to them on the first of the month. Okay, so you need to show heavy transaction at the end of the month. Let's say at the end of the last week, or the minimum at the last 2 days, 30th, 31st or 29th or 28th, whatever it is. Okay, you have to do it for 6 months. by the end. And yeah, once you are doing it for 6 months, as you have already your IT returns, make sure that as if you are a salaried person, then no issues, you will get a personal loan from any bank. But if you are not a salaried person, if you are not doing anything, you make sure you have to pay income tax for at least, you have to show your income is 4 lakhs annually. 4 lakhs, that should be done. 4 lakhs annually should be your income that you have to show. So right now the norm is around 2,70,000. That's non-taxable amount, and more 1,30,000. That's, yeah, more 1,30,000 you have to pay tax on that remaining amount. So you have to make sure that you have either 1 year or both of the years as 4 lakh as your taxable amount, and you are paying some money to the government. You have to make sure that. So let's get back to the bank accounts. Once you complete 6 months, HDFC people will call you up asking for a credit card. Okay, yes, they will call you up asking for a credit card. That, sir, are you looking for a credit card? Okay, say yes to them. Yeah, you are looking for a credit card. Okay, they will ask your residential proofs and this and that and that. So yeah, they will be giving a credit card. The credit card would be a minimum amount of 50,000. The maximum amount of this credit card would be 1,30,000. Yeah, this is what HDFC does. Okay, let's say you are having very good transactions in your account for the last 6 months. They won't hesitate to give you a credit card of 1,30,000. Grab it in the first instance. After you grab the HDFC credit card, use it for your grocery shopping, your family's because see, your family would be purchasing groceries, right? They would be purchasing this, that, fuel. You use fuel. You pay in cash. Don't pay it in cash. Use your credit cards wherever possible. Okay, after 2 to 3 days, pay them the amount through net banking. See, up to 50 days, they don't charge you anything. If you're spending 10,000 rupees from your credit card, they will take 10,000 rupees in your credit card. They won't charge you anything. But after 50 days, they will charge you a daily interest. Don't get into that. My suggestion is, don't get into that. Use your credit card as much as possible for the next 2 to 3 months. Okay, and pay the amount. On the first 6 months after your transactions with ICICI, go to the ICICI bank and tell them that you are looking for a credit card. Yes, you are looking for a credit card because you are doing transaction and it's you are traveling a lot. You use your credit card a lot. You already have a HDFC credit card, so you want an ICICI credit card. ICICI people will ask for your IT return statement. Provide them your IT return statement. They will see that is 4 lakh. They will fund you easily. They will give you a credit card easily from 50,000 to, let's say, 1 lakh. Yeah, that's what they will give you. So here you go. You have 1 lakh here, and let's say you have 50,000 or 1,30,000 or whatever you have there. So minimum here you have 2 lakhs in your credit cards over here. Make sure you are using the credit cards for 3 months at least. After 3 months, what you can do is you can call your customer care in HDFC or ICICI and tell them that you have to buy furnitures for your home, or you have to buy a electronics for your home, or you have to buy you need the money. Okay, so you have to swipe your card and pay it and convert it in EMI. Is it possible in HDFC? They will give you an option. Yeah, it's possible. We have an option like that, or we don't have an option like that as of now. Call us after a week or after 15 days. So they have an option for EMI. All right. So what you can do is, if you know anyone who has any shop, I know you can arrange someone who has a shop and has a swapping portal where you swap your credit cards. Tell them swap 1 lakh or the entire money from your account, from your credit card, and give you the cash. They will take 2%, I guess, or 3%, depends. They'll give you the cash in 24 hours. There are some people who give you cash within they give you instantly cash, or within 4 hours they give you cash. So this is what you can do. Same goes for ICICI. You can do that. The time is already up. It's almost 15 minutes. So what I'll do is I'll continue this video on I'll continue my discussion on the next video. Thanks a lot, guys. Check out for the next video on my channel. Thanks. Have a great day ahead. Bye.